Show you how to download and use XChat. And if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing with notifications turned on and liking the video, as it does mean a lot to the channel. So now, how do you download and use XChat? So this is pretty simple to do. What you want to go do is go into the App Store and just search up XChat. You could see how it's spelled right there. Then once you go ahead and search up XChat, you just want to go ahead and download it. So it is only on iOS right now, but it is rolling out to Android eventually. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure that's what people are saying, so I'm pretty sure it would. I don't see why it wouldn't, but what you want to do once you download it is just open it up, and then once you open it up, you want to log into your account, or you can create a new account, and then once you do that, you could go ahead and use XChat. It's a pretty simple guide, guys. And if this video did help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video, as I am making a bunch of other tutorials on XChat as well, so you definitely want to go ahead and check them out. So yeah, that is how you go ahead and do it. Hopefully you did enjoy this video, and yep, that is about it. Peace out.